What's good, guys? This is your boy Ghost Fighter 2T's back with another video. I just wanted to share with you guys an experience that I had. If you're mechanic savvy, pretty much the basics, like maybe changing your oil, changing your wheels, or maybe changing bulbs in your car. I had an experience with Pep Boys. He told me $20 to change out the bulb. And then before you know it, he's like, well, if we get it in any kind of thing difficult, it's going to be $150. So I bought the bulb at Advance Auto. Here's the bulb for my car. It's a 2009 Nissan Maxima. It's a standard light. It's nothing hard about this. So here's the light. And yeah, I'm going to show you what all you need to do this. So I got aftermarket wheels, so I'll need as you can see, I got my spline drive that goes onto my wheels, and then I have my wrench to take it off, and then I have a jack. I have a hydraulic jack that I put underneath the car right here, which will jack it up once I get the bolts untightened and the wheel off, and then I'll be pulling down this panel. As you can see right here, there's no bolts and screws. I'll be pulling down the panel and pulling it back and unscrewing out of the bulb light counterclockwise. Put the new bulb in, click it in, and then tighten everything back up. It's pretty much self-explanatory, but I wanted to show you this because it's like a how-to do it yourself, because people will try to charge you all kinds of crazy prices to do simple things like what I'm about to show you on your car. So I hope you like this. I'll bring another part of this video to show you in more detail some other things, maybe some photos and stuff of the steps that I'm doing. Alright, this is Ghost Fighter 2T's, and I'm out.